Did you know the father of modern science literally died proving his own method worked? Francis Bacon changed everything. For centuries, people believed whatever ancient books told them. But Bacon said real knowledge comes from testing things yourself. In 1626, he was riding through snow near London when he had an idea. Could cold preserve meat? Most people would just wonder. Bacon stopped his carriage, bought a chicken, and stuffed it with snow. He caught pneumonia from standing in the freezing cold. Weeks later, he was dying. But here's the incredible part. Even on his deathbed, Bacon wrote that the experiment worked perfectly. The meat was preserved. He gave his life to prove a point. Truth matters more than comfort. Knowledge comes from doing, not just thinking. Bacon's famous words were knowledge is power. He meant that understanding how things work gives you control over your life. The man who taught the world to question everything died questioning something himself. That's the ultimate commitment to growth. Sometimes the most important discoveries require the biggest risks.